How to add a WhatsApp link to Instagram bio. In order to do that, head over to your profile icon and click on this Add Profile. From in there, you can see this option right here where you can add a link. So head over and click on this Add Link right here. Click on this Add External Link. And then let's put in here WhatsApp for the title. And then for this case, let's just head over and then put in here a URL of WhatsApp. So for example, for this case, I'll head over and then choose this WhatsApp URL right here for this particular group. So let's head over and copy this URL that we have for this case. And then from in there, let's add this right here. So as you can see, here it is. Just click on this check right here and then it will be added. So let's head back. And then as you can see, the actual link for our WhatsApp has been added right here on our Instagram bio. So that's how you add a WhatsApp link to your Instagram bio. Hope it helped.